Deuteronomy Chapter 6, verse 4. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God is one Lord. All right, now for the explanation. We're going to break this scripture up into different parts to make it easier for you. So let's start off with Deuteronomy 6 and 4, and then I'll go here, and then I'll do next, O Israel, next, the Lord our God, and last is one Lord. So let's start off with Deuteronomy 6 and 4. For Deuteronomy 6 and 4, I normally fingerspell D-E-U-T. And then from here, I'll sign chapter 6, verse 4. Now for the first part of that sentence, which is here. Now we're not talking about right here. We're talking about here. Now we know the deaf cannot hear. So what we're going to do is sign here like this. Here, look right on here. Focus right on here. Here. O Israel. Now, you see right there, it's the letter O. So I kind of make it creative. O Israel. I'll do that again. O Israel. Let's move on to the next portion. The Lord our God. Now, I normally don't sign the, because that's more English. The is almost like it's embedded in there already. So I don't have to sign that. You can fingerspell it if you want, but I normally don't. I just go Lord, because it's embedded in there. The Lord, our God. Let me do that again. The Lord, our God. Let's go to the next portion. Is one Lord. Is or truly or really one Lord. Now, did you notice I had a difference or a separation between is and then the number one? The viewer needs to see that there's a different sign, is and one. And then I went on and I signed Lord. So let me go on and sign this whole scripture. Deuteronomy chapter 6, verse 4. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God is one Lord. That is how I sign Deuteronomy 6 and 4. Now in this video, I have shown you how to sign Deuteronomy 6 and 4. If you've learned anything from this video, please do me the honors of first hitting the like button, next hit the subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.